Try this sweet in this festival season. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's prepare Diwali special crispy and layered chiroti in very easy method. So without wasting time, let's see how to make this. We are making this sweet using chiroti rava or very fine rava. Take a vessel or mixing bowl and add 2 cups of chiroti rava. From this measurement, we can make 15 to 60 chirotis. Next, we will add 3 tablespoons of butter, which is room temperature. Now, we will mix well. Rub these to combine rava and butter. As you can see, moist rava. Now we will add water little by little. Squeeze and mix well to make form of soft dough. So here I have used 1 cup of rava to make soft dough. And the soft dough is ready. Now let it rest for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we will prepare another process. For that, take 80 gram of butter and ensure that the butter should be in room temperature to do quickly all the process. Next, we will add 2 tablespoons of rice flour to get crisp in sweet. You can use maida instead of rice flour. Mix well until you get soft creamy texture. From this mixture, we will get layered chiroti. Once ready, keep it aside. Next, take half cup of sugar and make fine powder and keep aside. After 15 minutes, the dough is well kneaded, so we will knead it again for a while. And we will divide into 6 parts of the dough and make equal ball size. Next, take a wooden board, dust with maida, roll slightly to make thin sheet. It should not be so thick or so thin. Once ready, keep it aside and make 6 sheets. Once you are done with 6 sheets, dust with some maida and keep layer first. Now we need to spread butter mixture which we prepared earlier as much needed. Apply full of the sheet. Next, keep second layer on that and apply butter mixture and make like these all 6 layers. As you can see here, all 6 layers are ready. Now roll tightly from one side as shown as in the video. Next, make a long tight roll and cut in between. So one piece I have kept another vessel and covered with wet clothes. Next, remaining dough we will cut again thick slices like this, as you can see. Here you can see layered inside. Now we need to flat slowly like this. Don't overpress. They should be slightly thick. First we will flatten 3 to 4 chirotis and keep on a plate. Remaining we will close with wet cloths to ensure not to dry. Next, heat oil in medium flame. Once the oil is hot, keep the flame on low and add 1 chiroti. Pour oil on it. If you do this, you will get layered chiroti. Fry until light golden brown color for both sides. Once done, remove it from oil and let it cool slightly. When a chiroti is warm, add sugar powder like this. Don't add sugar powder when it is too hot because sugar will melt and becomes watery. Do same process for all the chirotis and the sweet is ready to be served. You can make this in this Diwali, this crispy and layered chiroti and enjoy with your home. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this, please give a like, share with your friends and family.